So first enjoy this. So guys, this is Electric Uncle. How are you? So in this, I will tell you in continuation of second part. So let us start. So here from the computer 5 volt will come. We will connect this to computer. When we will load this code to this IC, here we will get positive. Go to LED's positive LED. Here is the negative. It will go to the negative. Some LEDs need resistance, some not. So better to provide one resistance. And 5 volt it will get from here. When this IC will command it. As soon as we will supply load the code, IC will command the LED to start. When we will remove this from the computer, this USB cable, we can give, now it is in the brain of this IC microcontroller. This board you can say is the like our body. So all the pins are going here from this IC. Here. When we will give external supply of 5 volt, it will start independent. So that we will see afterwards. So now I will connect cable to this Arduino Uno and let us see what happens. So now we are going to start with this Arduino. Practically we will see. So here is the blink code on our screen. Where is my cursor? We will open the tools. In the tools we will select Arduino Uno board. It is already selected. Or if there is another board, you can select it from here. So you select it, come up, and there is above Arduino Uno. Here we selected it. So now there will be Arduino Uno board, but port is not connected. You see, the port is not mentioned, nothing. So when we will connect our cable to Arduino Uno from computer, this port will appear, and it should appear. Before programming any code, we have to check these things. Arduino Uno board it shows in tools, and it should show the port. So now we will open these tools again so that we will get the port. Board is there, port is not. But again, if we will open the tools, it will appear. See, port has come here. See, COM4 Arduino Uno. So now it is perfect. You do at half screen, you watch my video. On the half screen, you do it practically on your computer. In the same way I am doing. This is the best way to learn. Now I will connect these two wires of LED 1 to 13 number as shown in this right hand side drawing, one at ground, and it is also mentioned in the screen also, in the code also, that we have to connect 13 number, one wire to 13 and one to ground. So the connections are being made. Now we will upload the code. We will check the tool Arduino Uno port COM4. Then we will upload this code will go in the brain of IC fitted in the Arduino Uno board. You see, it has started uploading and it is being uploaded. Now the LED has started blinking. So simple. The IC has in its memory this code now. We have transferred the code from computer to Arduino board's IC microcontroller. Now that IC is controlling the LED. We can make some changes in the code. We want to make it fast, LED to blink. So we can reduce the time. 1000 milliseconds, we make it 100 milliseconds now. And again we will upload it. You see the difference. The LED will start blinking fast. So we have to make minor changes in the codes. We need not to make any code. No Java, no C++. Codes are available on the open platforms. You need to search. If you don't find, I will send you what project you want. For which project you want the code, I will send you. So this is the practice only to find it out. Nobody make the codes. Just getting it from here and from there. I will tell you the ways. Some sites I will suggest you from where you can find thousands of codes in the coming video. So now what we will do? Now I will remove the connection from the computer like this. Now see, it has stopped working. I have removed the cable from the computer. Now I am giving supply from outside, from my mobile charger. So we will give this here. And immediately IC will start giving command to LED and LED will start working. Now you don't need computer. This board, you take it anywhere, give 5 volt supply and start the things working. So this is an example. So what we will do, I have shown you that it works like that. So dear students, I think for today it is enough, and we will meet in our next project. So in last, I will request you again to share this video so that it should reach to the students who need it badly. It should reach to the villages and we should help them by doing so. And you send any command to me, you ask anything to me, whatever you want, on WhatsApp message. When you are doing this project, at that time you can contact me if you are facing any problem. So I am always with you and made for you. So for my next project, just wait and push the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my next video, the next part of the same. We will be dealing with the different projects. So many things I will tell you. But first, be expertise with this first example. And if any needy student want Arduino Uno, something like that, I will send whatever capacity I have. And if others can join my platform running individually, so they can also come forward and send material to the poor students direct. So let us hope for the best. and watch these videos fully again and again. You will learn everything. So again, salute to you. So dear friends, watch and you will make this project in future. House cleaning robot.